Hi, I'm Andrew Armstrong and welcome to the back office. We have an unboxing sort of show and tell today, and it's a special, extra special one because there's some rather nifty things in the back office today. You can see here, look at this. This is a beautiful VIC-20 restored to perfection by Rob Taylor, who so kindly donated it to the show, and I cannot tell you how well this is done. I mean, if you look, the keyboard, he's had every key apart. Look at that, look at the plastic between the keys. There's not one fibre of filth anywhere on this, unlike most computers you might have from back in the era. Look at the ports, beautiful. Really looking forward to firing this up. I've got to just do one little job, and he's kindly provided me with this, which is the connector for the power supply, and I do believe it is not mains. Don't put mains down it. I think it's 9 volts. Yes, it says here 9 volts AC. So that's going to be an interesting one to find, but I'm pretty sure I've got one somewhere. Look at this. Do you know I've got a Commodore 64, but it's the kind of this Commodore 64C, the modern one. But this is the, you know, this is the old bread bin style, which the original sort of Commodore 64 sort of evolved from. But thank you so much, Rob. That is fantastic. Look forward to trying out some software on that later. Next, we have a box of treats. Now, not so long ago, around Christmas time, I believe, or was it? Oh, it was March, early March. Time flies when you're having fun. I did a favour for somebody, and that was to repair a Japanese businessman's Denon radio hi-fi, and I wouldn't really accept it. I didn't want any gifts, I didn't want any money, I wouldn't want anything for it. But I got these instead, and these came in the post. Not sure what they are, apart from maybe this one. We're going to look, these were the gifts, lovely, lovely gifts. And this is a Game Boy bottle opener, so that's kind of handy, isn't it? So it's like a key ring, it slides open, and then you've got your bottle opener out there, and it says official Nintendo licensed products. I don't know if Nintendo are endorsing alcohol drinking, but I suppose pop comes in bottles when you're abroad, doesn't it? So that's fantastic. Ooh, got something in a very special wrapping here, and it looks like little, quite rattly though, little doodads. I shouldn't, but I shall. Let's have a look. Oh, look at those. Have a little tasty taste. Look like creme caramels. Little chocolate creme caramelly type things. Wonderful. Well, now they're open, I'll have to have those. This beautiful box, look at that. It's not the same, you know, it's not like how a packet of Cadbury's Roses comes. Ah. Look at these things. They look like little it's hard to describe actually. I'll zoom in. They look like little spiky balls. Like little spiky balls. I'll get the card. Maybe someone can identify what they are. And there you go. And I do know we do have some viewers from Japan who'll be able to help me out with this one. Does not say anywhere on here, and don't know if you eat them or you suck them or whatever, but they come in a variety of colours: pink, brown, blue, beige and purple. So do they actually have a smell? Not really. So I'm guessing these are some fancy sweets. They're too fancy for me to open here, so we'll open that another time. As I've already got my chocolates to eat. Knowing me, you see, if I open one thing, I'll end up opening all of it. These are assorted packages of Japanese traditional green tea. I hope every one of you will enjoy our tasty and aromatic selections. Well, I do like tea. Ha ha ha! You fooled me! So there you go. I was like, okay, we've got some tea here, and there's a thank you very much right there. Oh. Look at this. This is better than tea, isn't it? Crikey. So we've got a couple of paper cranes. Look at that bit of origami to cherish forever. Some little kitty cats. They look like mints, actually. Little round mints in a kitty cat shaped container. Look at that. That's quite cool, isn't it? Just printed on the packet, little cat. Look like some kitty cats there. What's this? This could be some tea though. I think this is some tea, isn't it? Yeah, this is tea. There's a nice bit of tea there. Very flat, like it's like you're going to cut it and it's going to go. So we'll have some of our tea there, and some, I think, matcha tea. Yeah, matcha tea flavour Kit Kats. You can't beat those to go along with your tea. Is this like a selection though? Is it actually maybe this how it comes with tea and stuff like that? Perhaps. And Commodore crisps, umi and shisho. So there you go. There's a few different flavours there of some sort of gelatinous snacks. But I do like this. I suspect maybe it would have come with 3 packets of tea, but they've been swapped out with something a bit better to go with your tea. I'm going to pop those in my gob a bit later. So there's my selection. Oh, a couple more items, just sort of last second ones. You've got here columns for the Game Gear and Sega Game Pack 4-in-1, also from the Game Gear, which apparently was actually Sega product, even though it's got a really crappy looking Sega label. I picked these up in a sort of cash converter type shop for 50p each, so they seemed worthwhile at 50p each. So there's my totality of my haul right now, but I think you'll find that that's a pretty respectable selection, isn't it, really? As ever, thanks for watching.